bitches, welcome back with another video, and today I will do a video trying hot Cheetos fried pickles. Yes, this will be my first time trying it, so we're going to go ahead and do the recipe and we're going to get back to this video. Okay, so now we're going to grab a pickle. We are going to dip it. Put in flour. Like that. Dip it in. That's more. This is how pickles look. Okay, we back. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I love pickles and my Cheetos put it together. I don't know. It's a wrench. I'm gonna do a little bit. Okay, go with the first. It's not. It's not good as people saying it is. It's alright, but it's not. Oh, let me get another. It's good, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to say. In my opinion, it's good, but I'm not crazy about it, if that makes sense. What throwing it off is the flavor of these. You can just taste the hot, but you can't taste the flavor of these. And the pickles, it tastes like pickles, but it's hot. But out of 1 through 10, I give this a 6. I don't know. I did the recipe right. I know that for sure. I don't know if I should let it stay a little longer. Let me try this one. Let's try this one. It's good, but it's not craving like I'm gonna crave for every day. I'm done. It's good, but it's not what I expect. I expect to taste these the most, because I eat these chips 24/7. So, by the way, I made it to 400 subscribers. Woo! I mean, yay! I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Like, when I reached the 300, I was like, oh, another 100, another 100, another 100 would be hard. But y'all inbox me what y'all want to watch. I want to keep you guys entertained. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment. Don't be scared to comment. Don't be scared to comment. You comment anything you want. Also, I'm just happy I got 400. I should have 409 subscribers now. I gained 9 subscribers today. I am so proud of myself, and I won't give up. I will put all my work into this, because this is what I want to do. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Once again, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Bye.